of the day.
Name the place, darling. Where you going?
Come and spend your autumn years in an Indian palace.
Arches and canopy balconies.
It's a luxury development where all the residents are in their golden years.
Like the Costa Brava?
Yeah, but with more elephants.
Your first time in India?
Yes. This country seems rather more civilized than one originally thought.
Would you like some of this? I believe it's called aloo paratha.
Now, if I can't pronounce it, I don't want to eat it.
Welcome to the best exotic Marigold Hotel.
There's an Indian in there.
This building is 100% ship-shape condition.
I thought I might fix it myself.
Give us a refund. Of course, I'll refund you completely.
You will?
I most definitely will straight away in 3 months, okay?
Are you all right? Just want a glass of water. That was a gin and tonic.
I know that now.
I have a dream, Mummy Ji, to create a home for the elderly so wonderful that they will simply refuse to die. This man is dead. I'm in hell.
My name's Norman. You're very fit.
Beg your pardon?
Oh, God. Look at us. A group of self-deluding old fossils traipsing around as if we're on some bloody gap year.
High five.
No, sorry, I don't know why I did that. I've never done it before in my life.
How can you bear this country? What do you see that I don't?
The light, colours, smiles. All life is here.
Do you think we'll be all right?
It's going to be extraordinary.
Everything will be all right in the end. So if it is not all right, it is not yet the end.
You're not worried about the danger of having sex at your age?
If she dies, she dies.